Gold kabut.
Yeah, gold.
Okay. Okay, gold. Okay, I think it's dropping right now. Okay. Okay. I think I don't want to go into the bigger time frame. You guys ataupun kita dah go through. This is due to the Ukraine Russia, and then some good news. They dropped back back to below 1900. Okay, and then it's moving up. Okay, so this on a bigger picture. Sadly, on the lower time frame, we are looking at it. This 1900, okay, is I think held as a minor support, and then dekat sini 19 berapa 1950. Okay, so looking like these two big round number is acting like a support and a resistance. So now it's almost in the middle. Okay, between 1920 to 1930. So it's a bit tricky. Okay, sama macam tadi. So we are not sure whether they goes up ke sini to kind of take up this 1950, confirm this as a resistance before they continue down, ataupun they break this 1920 to go back to test this 1900 before making a pullback, then continue. Okay, at this point, I'm more biased towards this move. That means breaking 1920 and test this, and then a pullback, and then breaking 1900. Okay, because I'm a bit optimistic, ataupun cautiously optimistic on this Ukraine-Russia issue. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting. There will be some good news coming up. Hopefully, more of a diplomatic solution that can be achieved between NATO and Russia, or at least between some key countries, contoh between Germany and France with Russia. Okay, and hopefully China probably can influence Russia. So I'm a bit positive on this part. But again, we are not so confident on Putin because it is all dia punya gameplay at this point. Okay, uh, we never know whether if he's in the right mind, then we probably can look for gold going lower. Tapi if it's still aggressive, then what might happen is they probably come down somewhere dekat sini. Uh, apa level dia? Almost dekat 1910 ataupun somewhere around this region lah, 1907 to about 1910, and then probably push up back to this 1950 to ataupun to 1970, then only probably pull back, either goes up ataupun this move. Okay, but again, I'm more of this move at this point. Okay, turun ke bawah lah to come back to somewhere this level. Okay, but again, this Russia-Ukraine issue is very sensitive, so market can swing from this low to high macam ni lah. It can swing depending on the aggressiveness, ataupun it can swing from high to low like this if it's some positive news. Okay, at this point, for this week, you guys seen it. There's not much economic data ataupun news coming out. Okay, nothing much on economic calendars. So it's all about Russia, Ukraine, and NATO, and probably Israel, then Middle East, and also of course all this also related to oil production, additional supply, etc. So all these news will. So at this point, gold probably react a bit of a positive correlation to oil. Kalau nampak macam oil turun sedikit ke bawah, let's say below 100 to about 95, okay, then we probably see gold also moving slowly. Okay, tapi kalau oil daripada 100 pergi ke let's say 110, 115, then we'll see this move. Okay, so just watch out how the market moves. for the next couple of days. Okay, Bun. Since
Oh,
saya dah
okay,
touch
baik.
gold,